know where to go. I have lost my way home. It's raining so hard and it's so cold here. Oh God, what am I going to do? Seems like this place has started to get flooded. I have to find a shelter very soon. It's freezing cold here. I am so hungry. The wind is too harsh. I feel like collapsing. I can see a lighthouse at a distance. I hope I can reach there in time. I still have a lot of way to complete. I feel really tired. My body is hurting. Thank God I am almost there. I feel a little happy. I hope there is someone in the house. Hi, I am Woofy. Have lost my way to home.
It's okay, kid. I can help you. How did you get lost?
I went out to play, and I don't know how I lost my way. It's really warm here. I feel better. Your house is so pretty. I love it. The atmosphere is so clean.
Take some tea, and you must be hungry.
Thank you for helping me, Aunt. This blanket
I
is
have
so
a lot
nice
of books.
and
Do you
warm.
want to read something?
I kind of miss my home, but I like it here too.
Good morning, little kid. Here is a towel for you. You can stay here forever. We can play together if you want. You seem sad. You must be missing your home.
I do. Thank you for taking care of me.
This is your room for now. You can stay here as you want.
You are really nice. Thank you for everything. I can help you clean the house.
You're such a well-mannered and nice kid.
The view here is so beautiful.
Let me tell you a story about a goose and a dog.
Yes. The mornings are always beautiful here. I love the wind blowing hard. This place gives me a sense of happiness and freedom.
I love it here too. One wish I could fly at times, but to am old now. There are ways to make a better place to live in. I love this place here.
Even when I go back home, I will come back to meet you. The environment is so nice at night, too. I hope I can go back home soon.
I will miss you a lot when it are gone. Come to meet me at times. Goodbye, Woofy.
Thank you for saving me.
You saved yourself.